Okay, what we got going on today? Bobcat straight piped itself. Decided it didn't want a muffler anymore. The last time we plowed with this machine, I started hearing it getting a little bit louder. After inspection, I noticed that, well, take a look. Rusted out. You figure it's 20 years old, and it finally let go. Now, I've patched this place before on this machine, and it was some JB weld, and it finally fell apart again, but it lasted about 3 years. Well, we got more snow coming tonight, and I'm not trying to wake up the neighborhood, so we're gonna go ahead and do a little band-aid patch on this. I looked up the part. It's only like a $54 part, but the labor is the problem. The studs, if they're rusted and any of them break off, this could turn into a real big job really quick, and I definitely am not about to risk starting a project like that right now. I only have a couple hours, so we're gonna take this thing apart. This thing will be running tonight. Sometimes you just gotta move quick and make quick decisions, fix stuff quick on the spot. You don't wanna get caught working on something right before a storm. Now, I have an extra skid steer I could use, but I'm really not trying to drag that up here. This is easier. I got all my tools in my car. The car has really been a huge help for running to get parts, just running around. You pretty much have to have one. Nice old company car, just something to buzz around in, not lettered up or anything, inconspicuous. Great for marketing and just getting parts and checking on properties, checking on snowfall. So we got some snow coming tonight. I've gotten a hold of my guys. We're ready to go. It's almost March. I'm wondering if this is going to be how we end the winter. Maybe out like a lion. Not sure, but could use a little bit of snow. I got some salt I need to get rid of, so I'll be sure to do a little filming of the plowing we do tonight. This is kind of a little emergency fix, just so we are quiet for plowing tonight. Now, let me get something clear. I do not think that this is at all the right way to repair this for any long amount of time. This is merely a band-aid. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments on how hillbilly this is, and yes it is for sure, but if it keeps the machine quiet and gets me through the rest of the winter, I will be more than happy about this repair. Please keep comments to yourself. Negative comments I don't need to hear. Just gotta add another clamp here and one more up top, and try my best to seal this off. At least it's in a very easy location to work on. It's definitely not tucked away, so that's good. Other than that, this machine's been running fantastic this year. It's celebrating 20 years of service. It has about 3,200 hours, I think, on it. No real complaints otherwise. It's been a great machine. I think I'm gonna actually hang on to all of them. I was considering selling one of them, but I've done a lot of repairs on, you know, minor things, but I got most of the kinks worked out, so I don't think I'm going to sell either of them. It's just too hard to find a good machine these days. So later this summer I'll definitely come back and fix this the right way. But here we go. Got a little muffler mud, we call it. Smear that on there. Let's clean up and get out of here, and tune in later for the results of how this held up overnight. Probably a couple days I'll have a video about this storm blowing through. It's supposed to start about 8 o'clock tonight, so tune in and see how it did. Got the 10-footer ready to go. We'll leave the back tail light out so I can check on my little Bondo job in here. Look at that. That's pretty gnarly. Pretty disgusting. I really didn't mean to get it that nasty with that mud, but whatever. I didn't get it on anything else, so no big deal.